Hey there, I'm Spencer, and today I'm going to take you through what a slab leak repair looks like and what you can expect when you schedule with Rainforest Plumbing and Air. Slab leaks can be concerning, but we're here to address them promptly, ensuring your home stays safe and dry. First, our skilled technicians will begin by diagnosing the issue. Signs of a slab leak can include damp spots on the floor, unexplained increases in water bills, or reduced water pressure. We arrive equipped with specialized equipment and replacement materials to pinpoint and address slab leaks. For a slab leak, we'll use leak detection technology to precisely locate the source without unnecessary disruption to your home. As always, safety is first. Before we begin any repair work, we'll isolate the affected area and turn off the water supply. Once we locate the leak, we'll carefully remove the section of the damaged pipe and replace it with new, more durable piping. A proper repair is crucial to prevent future slab leaks and ensure the integrity of your home's foundation. After the repair, we'll turn the water supply back on and perform thorough tests to confirm that the leak is resolved. We'll also inspect the repaired area and make sure it's dry and secure. To prevent future slab leaks, consider regular plumbing inspections, especially if your home is older. Early detection can save you from costly repairs. Thank you so much for choosing Rainforest Plumbing and Air for your slab leak repair needs. Your home safety and your peace of mind are our top priorities, and we're here to provide fast, professional service everywhere in the Phoenix metro area.